The Harley Davidson all-in-one folding tool is a good tool to have in an emergency, but the Harbor Freight tools I'm going to show you in this video I think are better and will offer more features and more options when removing and tightening fasteners on your motorcycle. The Harley Davidson all-in-one folding tool was included with the purchase of a new Harley Davidson motorcycle from around 2010 to 2016. But after that, the tool was sold as an accessory. At the time of this video, the tool has a retail price of $59.95 and comes with a 1-year warranty. The all-in-one folding tool has 7 different tools machined into the end of hex-style wrenches that are attached to an orange plastic body and fold in and out for access to the tools. The 7 tools are the following. Black soft rubber is embedded over the outside of the tool with the Harley Davidson logo printed on the side with a printed description of each tool. On the side are 2 different size cap nuts used to hold 2 removable wrenches in place. The larger cap nut can be turned by hand to remove and secure the wrenches. Each wrench is identical and includes a 9/16 1/2 inch and 10 mm opened-end wrench and a bottle cap opener. The all-in-one folding tool includes a pouch for storage with a Harley Davidson logo printed on the outside of the pouch and a clear plastic card holder for an identification card on the inside flap. The Harbor Freight tool set includes an icon locking flex head ratchet and 35-piece bit set, a 3/32 and a 3/8 hex wrench, and a 9/16 1/2 inch and 10 mm combination wrenches. The 35-piece bit set includes the following. The hex wrenches and combination wrenches are taken from the larger Pittsburgh standard and metric 25-piece hex set and the Pittsburgh standard and metric combination wrench sets. If you don't like the wrenches I chose, you can replace them with a Pittsburgh 6-inch adjustable wrench for less than $5. The tool that makes this set so incredibly good is the icon locking flex head ratchet and 35-piece bit set. These tools will provide you with all the features and options found in the Harley Davidson all-in-one folding tool and will also provide the popular T25 Torx bit and 5/32 hex bit, which are 2 popular size fasteners used in Harley Davidson motorcycles, plus an additional 28 bits for accessories or whatever else you need them for. I will provide links to all the tools in the description if you want more information and specifications. The icon locking flex head ratchet and 35-piece bit set includes a ratchet with a flexible locking head that provides 180 degrees of rotation and an accessory for the ratchet that can be used as a traditional extension or to extend the ratchet handle or to convert the flexible ratchet to a T-handle. This is my personal tool shown in the video and I can't say enough about it. I love the tool so much it's become my go-to tool for many smaller fasteners. The Pittsburgh combination wrenches are polished chrome with an open-end wrench and a boxed-end wrench on the other end. The additional hex wrenches are traditional style wrenches. All the Harbor Freight tools come with a lifetime warranty, however the hex wrenches and combination wrenches must be returned with their larger sets. A breakdown of the pricing is shown here. You can see the full retail price of the Harbor Freight tool set is $5.01 more than the Harley Davidson all-in-one folding tool. But if you use Harbor Freight coupons to buy these items, then these tools will become the more affordable option. There are 3 features found in the Harley Davidson all-in-one folding tool not seen in the Harbor Freight tools. They are a bottle cap opener, having all the tools secured to one large body, and a carrying case. However, for less than $10 a pouch can be purchased for the Harbor Freight tools, or for a few cents the tools can be wrapped in a shop towel with a rubber band to hold everything together. I think the Harbor Freight tools offer more for the money than the Harley Davidson all-in-one folding tool, but what do you think? Let me know in the comments section, and thanks for watching.